How to activate Atome Physical Card. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can activate the Atome Physical Card. Now, activation of Atome Physical Card can be done everything on your app. So make sure to download Atome application in either of those app store that you use on your mobile device and make sure that it is fully updated into the latest version. So all I have to do first is of course open up the application, or you can try and go into their official site by clicking this login option on their website. Once you've successfully logged in, locate card settings by navigating through the Atome card section on the homepage, and then input your card details, but you only need to input the last four digit of your new physical card. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and set up your four-digit PIN and store transactions. And then once you've fully set up your four-digit PIN, it is fully activated. Activation confirmation: once finalized, the card is ready for use at any MasterCard supported merchant. And that's it. That's how easy you can activate your Atome physical card.